How to create flyers and labels for your small business.
To get the perfect label, the first thing I do is to go to a browser, download an image that you would like to use. Like in this video, I downloaded a plate image because I was making a label for soap. Then you go on to remove background or remove BG. You can get the application, or you can just do it on their website, and you remove the background of the image. So this is very, very helpful, so that your image is plain without a background, and you can place it on any background that you choose to use. The next thing you do is to go to your application for the logo or for the flyer, and I use flyer maker. You can use any other any other logo maker like that. You can see the templates here are actually pro. You have to pay for it. You have to pay for it, monthly subscription. And if you don't want to do that, you just go to a default size for logos, and you choose a background that you like. In this one, I chose a yellow background because I wanted something very sharp and attractive. You might be asked to watch ads because you're actually using it for free. The next thing you use is to start typing in the keywords that you want to use. Here I typed out lavera. You can change the colors of your images. You can change the colors of the letters you're writing. Yeah, I decided to pick another very, very attractive color, and then you just keep writing. Then you can there's a place for add image. You can now go to your gallery and pick out that image that you've removed the background and place it onto the label, and the label is already looking very attractive. These are things that actually you can do by yourself. You don't need to pay people to do it for you. And I learned this because it's a way to save cost. If you're a small business owner, it's going to be very helpful for you. So yeah, I continue to type in words and type in letters that I want to appear on my logo, that I want to appear on my flyer, and I place it, reduce the size, change the colors, and just make it suitable for the size of the logo. Ignore the notification pop-up on my phone. That was my phone when I was trying to make this logo. And then I keep typing in keywords with colors that I want and arrangement that I prefer. You can see the logo is quite beautiful. The logo is looking great already. And then this doesn't stop here. The keywords are being typed in, and it's amazing how attractive this looks. You can just go onto places that you want. You can just go onto the system and then print it out. You can either print it out with a glue, or you can just apply the glue right on top before placing it onto your products. This is really something that helped me out, something that continuously saves cost for me, and I hope it does for you too. Just get down to it, get it running, get it out, print it out. You can even print it out on your own. You can save it. You will be asked to watch an ad on the apps because you're actually using it for free, and then when you're done, you just save it, and that's all. I hope you enjoy it. That's all. So at this time, I was just trying to arrange the text properly, the way I want it to be on the label, both the colors and everything, and it just came out looking amazing.